Welcome to Walkthrough Wednesdays, where I'll take you through a detailed tour of one of my listings. Today, we're in Woodland Hills. This property is over 5,000 square feet, asking around $2 million, which is just over $360 a square foot, making this one of the best deals in the city. Built in the early 90s, this was a custom home and it used to look very different. The furniture and decorations are all from the staging company, so these will all be removed once the house is sold. Entering through these giant cast iron doors, we have these vaulted ceilings and what looks like travertine flooring. Moving on to the dining room, you have the same characteristics as the main living room. Very bright, very open. For a house built in the 90s, this is incredible design. The kitchen has been remodeled in the past couple years with newer countertops. Now let's take a quick walk outside, get some fresh air, and we'll come right back to the kitchen. As a reminder, we're on the main level of the home. This is a hillside development, so it's quite impressive to have both a sizable front yard and a backyard, as you'll see later. Now back to the kitchen. You have a double oven, built-in microwave, 6-burner stove, and a built-in Viking fridge that is extremely long-lasting. We also have a wine fridge and a dishwasher. Off to the side, we have a huge pantry with plenty of cabinets, as well as potential extra laundry hookups. Moving on to the family room. Tucked away into the cozy corner of the main level, this feels like an absolute private retreat. Put a large TV here and make it your lounge. Then we have one of the coolest things in the house, the elevator. It goes from the garage all the way to the top floor. I take it all the time and it feels very sturdy. But let's take the stairs down to the garage for now. On this lower level, we have a dark wine storage room, oversized laundry with multiple hookups, and a garage that can probably fit 4 cars. Now let's go up to the second floor where the bedrooms are. We'll take the elevator. We'll end up in the second floor hallway, walking past where we first entered the house with the vaulted ceiling and chandelier. And then we'll head over to the primary suite. My sellers did a great remodel with the flooring here. This is a huge bedroom with sweeping views of the hills. Look at this, what a wonderful spot for your morning coffee. It's so refreshing that every bedroom in this home has direct access to outdoor space. Going back inside, we have a little nook for the vanity and a huge walk-in closet complete with custom built-ins ready for you to use. Right next door is the primary bathroom with dual sinks, tile flooring, jetted tub, and a steam shower. Now let's check out the other bedrooms in the house. Separated by this walkway, we have 4 bedrooms on this side. This secondary bedroom comes with its own balcony, a closet along the wall here, and a full bath complete with a tub. You'll notice each of the bathrooms were custom designed by the architect. Then moving on to the next bedroom, pretty similar to the last one, also has its own balcony and view, looks like laminate flooring as well, and it also has its own bathroom. However, this one has a much bigger closet. It's a walk-in. On to bedroom number 4. Bedroom number 4 has this patterned wallpaper with a much more unique design. This room also has a walk-in closet and it has a French door leading directly to the backyard. Let's check out the backyard. Look how comfy this is. You can set up here for movie night, do a barbecue, practice for sports. Now of course, since it's hillside, there's going to be a lot of stair climbing. So think of it as a free Stairmaster. This entire portion here belongs to this property, so you can potentially get pretty creative here and check out these views from the top of the stairs. Let's take these stairs all the way down and check out the top floor before we head back to the rest of the house. So this is the top floor of the house. It kind of lives like a flat. Also the 6th bedroom. It has its own sink, shower, and basically a bedroom and living area. The checkered flooring is a little bit different from usual. Now, since this floor is only connected to the main house via the elevator or the outside stairs, it feels very private. Now come with me to check out the best view from the house. This floor has a total of 5 balconies, with 3 of them facing the south with this amazing view. Now let's go to the other side. On the other side, we have this flexible living space that can be used as either a bedroom or an office. Let's head back down to the 2nd floor since we have another bedroom to see. One last look at the backyard. This is the bedroom that we came from. It shares a bathroom with the adjoining room, so a Jack and Jill. Nice tile shower here. And then last but not least, bedroom number 6. It's on the smaller side with a smaller closet. This one has direct access to the backyard as well. I'll take you guys back to the main floor to wrap up the tour for today. Thanks for hanging out with me all the way till the end. I know this one was really long. Comment below and let me know if you prefer the shorter or longer tours. Thank you again, and I'll see you next time.